The global technology and innovation ecosystem is rapidly growing, and Kenya is not an exception. Dubbed Silicon Savannah, Kenya's technology space continues to tap into the fourth industrial revolution on various technologies, including automation, data science, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, among others, to spur growth in the digital economy. Out of the 600 innovation hubs in Africa, 50 of those are hosted in Kenya, making it an attractive destination for technovation giants like Google, Visa, Amazon, Microsoft, among others. Given the growth, the market demands for talent has continued to expand, prompting local players like Safaricom to introduce industry digital talent programs to address the skills gap. Therefore, it is critical to train and skill a highly qualified workforce to drive and sustain the sector. Welcome to Immobilis. Established over a decade ago, Immobilis Technology Training Institute has been empowering youth by tapping and skilling them in ICT to best prepare them for global opportunities tech presents.
I developed my interest in the tech space right after high school. Since my grades were okay, I stepped into my first tech class.
Since I was a kid, I always wanted to do tech. Let's say a radio is not working at home, I would open it and try and fix it. They were even calling me Fundi.
Right after my campus, I was considered the best in Bungoma County, and there was this program rolled out by then the governor. Funnily, it was actually Immobilis that had been subcontracted to do the program. I ventured into digital skills, a program for Google. I was given every sorts of engineering tasks to do at Immobilis, and finally I was proven to be able to do, and so that's when I began being a lecturer at Immobilis.
And the reason we started Immobilis is we saw two interesting trends. The first one was that there's 40% unemployment in Kenya, which frankly is quite unacceptable. And yet our highest conviction was that young people are interested in learning, they're interested in knowledge, they're interested in certification and in improving their lives. So we started a course, the first in sub-Saharan Africa, around network operations and network certificate engineering. The vision of Immobilis and the reason we exist and what gives us the greatest joy is empowering and supporting young people to upskill and to get exposure through training, mentorship, coaching, to be able to basically get the skills that they need to prepare them for the future of work.
My experience at Immobilis has been good. I've learned many languages, HTML, Java. The most interesting part of the course I'm doing, the full stack software development, is that it gives people creativity of making the website, and I can now even do my own job, creating website, the front view, backend.
For me, what has been interesting is the websites and databases. I've always wondered, for example, like when people are registering for a certain program using a website, where does the data go to? Doing this course at Immobilis has also given me more skills in doing Android web, so that in case someone has a website that they feel like they need to develop, someone's running a business but they're not able to reach a suitable market, so that a website or an application would actually build.
Immobilis imparts digital knowledge, software and other technologies training, equipping inclusive young graduates with marketable industry-driven skills. Of notable recognition is Smart Glove, invented by Roy Alela, an alumnus of Immobilis Technology Training Institute.
Sign.io is a sign language to speech translation glove that aims to extend the communication capabilities of individuals with a speech impairment.
The knowledge I got from Immobilis has helped me get a job at mPost, where I work as a mobile developer, and also have a project for my country currently ongoing for schools.
The knowledge that I learned in Immobilis immediately was applied in my first internship. And at Ziltech Technologies, I lead a team of data engineers. We develop business intelligence analytics system. We take data of our clients, analyze that data, and these reports, they are able to make intelligent decisions out of it.
So we don't want to come here and reinvent the course and say that, hey, we're teaching cybersecurity.
When you join Immobilis, depending on the course you have taken, it takes a different duration. For the MIT course, it takes 4 months. By the end of those 4 months, you can be able to create dynamic and professional systems. Python takes 2 2 months Python for web, then you can be able to use Flask to be able to create system. On data science, we have 2 clusters. So for beginners, it takes 3 months. For an advanced version, it takes 2 months because already you know Python. So it takes you less time to be able to learn now much more advanced in data. For cybersecurity, it takes 3 months. By the end of those 3 months, you can be able to do penetration testing, learn actually how to prevent hacking in any organization or system that actually you're working on.
One thing I really love about Immobilis is about their classes are practical. Secondly, their lecturers are friendly and are able to guide you up to the completion of the program. Every day there's a task you are given, you get to actualize it as you do it.
We've trained over 8,700 young people in those 12 years. Not just in Kenya, we've had students come from as far as Ghana, Rwanda, and Nigeria even, come to take our courses. We've seen some of our alumni go and work in Facebook in Ireland as tech leads. We've seen some of our alumni work at Safaricom, the Network Operations Center. We've had alumni work at Google as community managers.
Additionally, Immobilis runs programs that provide professional ICT services to both local and multinational organizations.
My name's Edna Carijo. I'm the program manager at Immobilis. I've been with Immobilis over the last 6 years. Some of the major programs that we've run over the last years include Google Digital Skills for Africa program. Google had an ambitious goal of equipping 10 million young Africans with digital skills to prepare them for the future of work. Immobilis was selected by Google as one of the 12 partners in Africa to roll out this program. So through this partnership, we've been able to equip over 320,000 youth on digital skills across East Africa, with 46% of them being girls. For the Jura Digital program, we have a team of 170 championing online work and digital work as well, and helping young people through their online work journey. We also run the Immobilis program, which we are very passionate about because it targets young women in technology.
Immobilis launched Immobilis in the year 2016 with the aim to train, empower young women to uptake STEM courses. After completion of the Immobilis course, the girls and the young women are able to create mobile applications, websites that enable them to be self-employed and also acquire employment. We are proud to have empowered, mentored and impacted the lives of over 220 young women.
In all of this, the main aim is to equip and prepare young people to help them harness the digital economy and exploit the technology space and become thought leaders in their different careers.
Being a world-class training and technology institution, Immobilis prides itself to have over the years been recognized and awarded with several accolades.
In 2019, Immobilis was named the best partner by Google across Africa in terms of delivering the Google Digital Skills for Africa program. So we received the award twice, and this was because of the efforts of the trainers on the ground.
We've received awards from the Presidential Digital Talent Program as the best private sector partner, the DR National Awards, we were runners-up. We also received an award a couple of years ago from the ICT Association of Kenya for best use of ICT in education. We were fortunate to partner with the iHub and the University of Nairobi to win a World Bank grant as a consortium that helped us set up the first ever regional mobile laboratory around the world. What also gives us a lot of excitement and joy is seeing our alumni succeed in the world of work, whether it's winning hackathons for innovative applications that they've created, whether it's creating startups and then coming back and saying, hey, I need to hire other developers for my startup, whether it's the government of Kenya entrusting us to run their Jira Digital program, which is an incredible undertaking, funded through very graciously by the MasterCard Foundation. And we've had the opportunity to work in Kenya, Rwanda, Tanzania, So for us, we know what we're doing makes a difference, and so transforming the lives of young people, that's been what's very exciting for us over the 12 years that we've been around.
Moving into the future, Immobilis is committed to continually enhance and build on its training modules as well as provide growth in its innovative program solutions, championing increased uptake of information communication technologies by African youth to enable them earn decent livelihoods to promote continental and global development.
I'd say Immobilis is a good institution. The lecturers are very understanding.
You will enjoy almost like a 24-hour support. You can access your lecturers and tutors and every other stuff.
Tech is the future. Like, there's nothing we'll be able to do maybe in the next 10 or 20 years without tech.
So there are numerous opportunities in tech. You just need to map out what you really want in the tech space and look for a specific skill-based program.
Africans have the opportunity, as the world continues to change, to be able to capitalize on employment and starting companies and solving problems for their communities if they understand tech. As Immobilis, we want to be your partner to help you develop, gain the skills you need to be able to succeed in the future of work. Join us.